Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss a brief concept that is trigonometry. So let's start. There are 6 trigonometry functions in a triangle. Then we first discuss a real name and this shortcut name. First is sine function, this shortcut is sine. And second is cosine function, the shortcut is cos. Then tangent function, the shortcut is tan. Then cotangent function, the shortcut is cot. Then secant function, the shortcut is sec. And then cosecant function, the shortcut is cosec. We got 6 trigonometry function, that is sine, cosine, tan, cot, sec, cosec. That is got it. So let's select third, relation between trigonometry function and triangle. You look a triangle ABC and that is 90, B and ACB, measure ACB is X. So the total concept is about X. So first the formula is sin X equal to AB by AC, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then cos X, that is equal to BC by AC, that is B by H. Then tan X, AB by BC, that is P by B. Then cot X, that is B by H. Then sec X equal to AC by BC. Then cosec X, that is AC by AB. You got 6 trigonometric formulas about triangle. So remember it. Relation among trigonometric function. First, reciprocal relation. Then look at the first. Then sin X equal to 1 by cosec X. Then cos X equal to 1 by sec X. Third, tan X equal to 1 by cot X. You got it's 5. Square relation, that is sin square X equal to 1 minus cos square X. Second, sec square X equal to 1 plus tan square X. Then cosec square X equal to 1 plus cot square X. So go to coefficient relation, that is tan X equal to sin X by cos X. Then cot X equal to cos X by sin X. You can make note also by taking screenshots. Let's take a formula, that is function of 90 minus x, that is sin 90 minus x is cos x, cos 90 minus x is sin x, then tan 90 minus x is cot x, then cot 90 minus x is tan x, then sec 90 minus x is cos x, then cosec 90 minus x is sec x. So let's take another. Then sin 180 minus x is sin x, then cos 180 minus x is minus cos x, then up to cosec 180 minus x equal to cosec x. Then let's take another, that is function of 90 plus x, that is sin 90 plus x equal to cos x, then cos 90 plus x equal to minus sin x, then tan 90 plus x equals to minus cot x, then up to cosec 90 plus x equal to sec x. So let's take trigonometric value in the triangle, that is theta. First sin 0, cos 0, tan 0, cot 0 and sec 0, then cosec 0. You got sin 30, sin 40 and other trigonometric function, then function 60, then function 90, then function 120, then function 135, then function 150, then function 180. You got, remember this table to solve difficult programs, remember it. So let's another formula, function of 2x, that is sin 2x equal to 2 sin x dot cos x, and second cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 or equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Let's take another, that is the main formula, function of a plus b or a minus b, that is sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Second, sin a minus b equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Then third, cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Then fourth, cos a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Then tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b whole divided by 1 minus tan a dot tan b. Then tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b whole divided by 1 plus tan a dot tan b. So remember this formula. You got larger program to this formula. So let's take another, then cot a plus b equal to cot a dot first cot a plus b equal to cot a cot b minus 1 divided by cot b plus cot a. So second, cot A minus B equal to cot A dot cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A. So let's take a overlook about the full. First we discuss trigonometry, then trigonometric functions, then relation between trigonometric function and triangle, then relation among trigonometric functions, reciprocal relation, then square relation, then coefficient relation, then formula function of 90 minus x, then 180 minus x, then 90 plus x, then you got the trigonometric values in the triangle, that is sin 30 or cos 30, then function of 2x, then you got sin a plus b or sin a minus b, the function a plus b, then you got cot a plus b and cot a minus b. Hope you got more clarity. In the next session we go to the bigger questions about trigonometry. So thank you for watching.